What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be working on the new 2022 Shelby GT500. I haven't done a video with this yet, but we will do hopefully a review on it later on next year when the weather gets better. But we are doing our first oil change to it, and it's going to be like a tutorial how to. It does take 5W50. I believe it said 10 quarts. We got the Ford Motorcraft stuff with the oil filter, and this is what it looks like under the hood. Pretty sure you guys have seen. But yeah, this is the 2022 model year that we got. It is the Cyber Metallic Orange. And yeah, we're going to be doing a quick oil change on it. We did get some custom floor mats for it to match the interior. So let me know what you guys think on those. I did a quick video for TikTok on that. So yeah, let's go ahead, start doing what we got to do. As you guys may know, first thing to do in an oil change is take off the oil cap. So we'll take that off, jack up the car, drain the oil, change the filter, and we'll go from there. So here we go. All right guys, so car's lifted up. You come under here, it's got the belly pan. There's a cover over here that you can remove with a T25. If you look up here, there's your oil filter. You just take that off, and then over here where my ratchet is, the drain plug, which is a 15 mil. So we're gonna start off with that, have all the oil dump in there, then remove and change the filter over there, which I believe is a 27. Let's verify that really quick. Or you can see it up here too. I might get it up from up here. So we'll do that later. Let's get the oil drained, and I'll pick you guys up in a second. All right guys, so oil drained, drain plug tightened and torqued, filters drained, covers back on. What I found it easier to do was get an extension on your 3/8 ratchet and just get it from here. I'm watching my hand through the freaking phone. Just, you know, get it in through here, loosen it up. The cover itself comes off separately, and then you just got to pull the filter, take the filter off, put a new one in. It's all easily accessible through here. Change the O-rings, of course, put the new one on, tighten this back up like I said, and now we drop the car. Drop the car and fill this beast up back with the 12 quarts of oil that came out of it. I think I said it was 10 quarts earlier. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but it is 12 quarts. And we got this package. I'm not sure where we got it from. I forgot the website we got it from, but it came as a package filter with all 12 quarts of oil and O-rings, of course, for the filter. So like I said, let's drop it, fill it up, reset the oil life indicator inside the car, and start the car and check the oil on the dipstick. Here we go. So I did forget to mention the oil filter is a 27 mil. So that's the socket size that I use. We're now filling up the oil after dropping the car. Damn, this quart went by quick. Okay. So yeah, like I said guys, we are using full synthetic 5W50 Ford stuff. So maybe later on we'll run some AMS oil or something better in here, but for the first oil change it should be all right. The oil did look pretty clean. The car only has 800 miles on it, so we're moving on. We'll go ahead and dump all 12 quarts in here. It does say that it takes 11.6, so 12 quarts will do. A little bit more won't hurt the car. So yeah, we'll go ahead and finish dumping all of this in there. And I don't know how to reset the oil life on this yet, so we'll figure that out together.
These oils are finishing quick. Yeah. Why? Yeah, I'm coming. What I like about this funnel too, did you notice at the bottom how it had like a hole? This right here? Yeah. It's a vent tube. So you know how when it builds up and it starts filling up, this has the air that the air can escape, or the hole for the air to escape at the bottom. So that's why they're filling up pretty quick. Is that it? That's the last one over here?
All right, we'll let that drip so we don't get it all over the engine bay, and then figure out how to reset the light. Alright, so coming into the car, turn the ignition on. And like I said, I'm not too familiar with the Mustangs. As you guys know, I had my car, the Charger, before, so let's go. I don't even know where to go, to be honest with you. There's no menu. You only got the Shelby over here, so let's see. Maybe engages? No. Bro, how do we... I have no idea where the settings are. Is it maybe in here? I doubt it. Vehicle? No. Well, let me do some research and I'll pick you guys back up. Alright guys, don't mind the stupidity. Like I said, this is the first time doing an oil change on a Mustang, let alone a Shelby. So there's a settings right here on the steering wheel. So we're gonna hit that, and then you're gonna scroll down to advanced settings on the cluster, press OK on vehicle, and then you scroll down to oil life. And we still had 83%, but you know, new car, first oil change. So press OK to reset, and it should reset. You come back 100%. So you can just scroll back to the main menu and cycle the ignition and go ahead and give it the first start. So let the oil warm up and cycle through for a little bit. I love these lights. Let's get you guys a little bit of the exhaust. Look over everything, make sure no leaks underneath. We look good. And then after a couple seconds, turn it off, check your dipstick. So, yeah. The car is cold. We just pulled it out and did the oil change, so we'll let that go for a little bit. But what do you guys think of these mats? They honestly look so amazing and they match the interior so well. We wanted to do something for the exterior, but I'm like, the exterior is so different from the interior and it'll throw everything off. So the white with the old school logo over there, I think it looks absolutely amazing. And then we noticed that the rears didn't even have floor mats, so we got those. We got them in. They're looking right. These Recaros are absolutely amazing. And yeah, like I said, we'll do a review of the car, drive it, do all that. It is broken into, so we can do all that. Sir, you mind helping me out here so I can record? Grab your rag. We're gonna pull the dipstick, wipe away the oil that's on it now, shove it back in there and pull it out and make sure it is in the safe spot. You having trouble there? And turn it around. New oil can be very hard to see, but it is right there, so we are good. And yeah, is it good to you? Yeah, it's right there. It's in the safe zone. And like I said, the car is still a little cold, so it's all good. Seems like you're unsatisfied. Look, it goes right here to the second hole, and then the second hole's up top here. New oil can be very hard to see, sir. Are you satisfied? The uncle's over here giving me the look. But yeah, for those that are confused, this car, we picked it up about, what is it, 3 months now, 3 months ago. And it did replace the Hellcat that we used to have. So this is the new car. It's the first video that I've posted in a while. What do you guys think of the color? What do you guys think of the Recaros? What do you guys think of the floor mats that we got it? But it is going away for the winter, and that's why we did the oil change, just to get rid of it, get it out of the way. But yeah, this will probably be the last video for another little bit. So like I said, once the weather gets better, hopefully in the springtime, summertime next year, we'll take it out. We'll get a full tutorial and review, or not tutorial, review on the whole car. We'll do some pulls and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is how we do the oil change on these. I know there's very few videos on there. Like I said, 15 mil for the drain plug, 27 mil for the filter housing or the oil filter, 11.6 quarts of oil, 5W50. That's the first time I hear of that. And reset your oil, you'll be all good to go. I hope you guys did enjoy. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.